Guys, so this is what we have today, and this is all you'll be needing. I'm going to be starting off with these 8-crown lashes. They're in this beautiful little box, and I have here some shears, little scissors. These are awesome, so I'm going to use these to trim the lashes down. And then we also need some glue, and I highly recommend the duo glue. So this is really well, I've been using it for a very long time. Strong, and it holds very well. So let's go ahead and get started. Alright guys, so let's see what we got in this. It's a lovely, nice box. So these are your lovely lashes. Look how flawless they look. What I recommend, if this is your first time putting on lashes, I want to go through the steps of the difference between the mink and the regular lashes. So I just want to show you what these gorgeous, how the quality is too. They're really nice. So now that you know what those lovely lashes look like, this glue is awesome. It's been my favorite for a really long time. Comes out gray and it dries clear, so it's nice. So I went ahead and bought these lashes. They were probably like $2 or $3 at Walmart, but again, this is just me showing y'all the difference between regular, non-mink lashes that look like these, the bands. I mean, yeah, it's a reasonable price, don't get me wrong. You can definitely use them once you learn how to put on lashes. So I highly recommend putting on a good pair of lashes first, because the band with the mink lashes, they have more of a durable strap around the band, and this right here is a little flimsy, so I'm gonna open this up so you can check it out. All right, so let's pop these suckers open. If it's your first time putting on lashes, I don't recommend putting on something like this because it's going to be harder for you because you don't really know how to lay it on. And not only that, when you take out these lashes, the band is going to be real flimsy. So let's go ahead and try to take that off so you can see what I'm talking about. Right here, you can kind of like go underneath the lash. Don't get scared. I know it scares me too, but you see how thin? It's very flimsy, and like I said, these aren't bad, and I'm not judging because of the cost. It's just, honestly, if it's your first time and you're having to put lashes on, these are going to be a little difficult for you just because they're very flimsy. It may be harder for you to kind of lay over your lid just because it's so flimsy, and when you lay that glue on there, you tend to get glue, and then you'll start freaking out, and you'll just kind of get everywhere. So I only bought these lashes for just to show. Alright guys, so this is me without the lashes. Did my eyeliner, I did my makeup, so this is the last thing that I love to put on. Here are my lashes. So first thing first, I am going to measure them and then cut them to my exact eye shape. So here are the lashes, and I'm going to take my tweezers. Very gentle when you do this. So if you can see me doing this, kind of going in there, just kind of, don't be scared, they're in perfect shape. I take my little column shears, gonna measure my eye, place it on there, and I feel like, see how it's a little way off, so I'm gonna cut just the extra. I think I like where that lands. I can cut them just a little bit more. They're just a little hangy. So I just trim just that tip off. You can see it, it's like a little tip there. I'm just gonna cut. So I like my lashes very fluffy. See the difference? It makes such a dramatic change, and honestly, I like to rock both. That's why I don't have any eyelash extensions. Don't get me wrong, I could do it, make it easier in my life, but at the same time, I like to give my lashes a breather, and I'm just very typical about that. Like, I like to change my style. So if you like to change your style, this is the perfect way to go. I love these, and I'm about to glue them down, but I just want to make sure that I get the other lash the exact same size as this one. So I'll take this off, I'll check the size out, and what I'll do, see, they're all the same, but this one I did cut, measured it to my eye, and so I'll grab my next one and kind of do the same. It's nice because you can actually slide it underneath, so it's nice. This is the one that I measured exactly to my eye, and this one I just cut kind of measured to here, but see how it's still a little longer? I'm gonna go ahead and cut that off to where it's even with that, and this will kind of help you see if you're gonna get them the exact same size, and then you can measure it too on your eye once you're done. So let's go ahead and cut this, and then we'll measure it or not. All right, so now that I went back and I cut that little extra piece, and see how they're very similar in size. So there you have it. So now I'm gonna measure it to my eye, and then we can put them both on to kind of get the feel of it. And then after that, we'll get to gluing. So I don't have anything glued on. This is what I'm just measuring to kind of fit my eyes. And I think it feels well. So I'm gonna get ready to glue this. And to go about that, I'm gonna show you how to do it. Save your product, get this lash laying on very nice and neat, and make it very realistic as if it's your own. So let's get started on that. I recommend doing the eyeliner before, and you can do a little after. See the difference between the bands. It's thicker, it's more durable, and you got a better grip, so it can just lay on the eyelid a lot easier versus having to deal with the flimsy ones. But you know, if you're in desperate need and you need to get the lash, go to the store, hey, at least you'll have an idea that it's gonna be a little difficult, but you can make it manageable. But if it's your first time, just go on Amazon, buy you a pair of, you know, mink lashes. Like I said, I feel like it's very durable, and it's nice, it's clean, it looks, you know, more modern, and it's up to date versus the other lashes kind of looking just very like, you can kind of tell. So depending on how you do your makeup too, it's gonna set you free. So if you do your makeup really nice, this lash, this typical lash, will really pop. As you can see the difference between my eye without and with the lash. We're just gonna use a piece of cardboard. All you wanna do is pour like a little dab like that. Use the tip of the tube, lightly work around this little crease. Glide it. That way you're not putting so much and you're not overdoing it. So it looks like this. Get it in there really good. Make sure you go all the way from tip to end, so, or from your little end points to corner. Make sure it's nice and good. Always close your cap so that it doesn't get air in. Blow on your lash. Remember, this one's not glued on, this one's just thrown on there. Look, it's just staying on there. So, like I said, it's got a better grip. You want to let it air dry just a little bit before putting it on, maybe like a minute, not even. If you're in a rush like me, I usually am, I'll just throw it on, let it sit, and you'll start to see it change, and it'll just kind of get dark like the actual lash. So this is it. And as you can see, I'm using my fingernails. I feel like it's a lot better, and like I said, it's so much easier when you have a better quality lash. So it just lays on there a lot easier. And you can feel it too when you lay it on, so it's nice. And so with that being said, now that I got that glued, I'm just gonna kind of glide my nail all the way, make sure it fits my eye, push down, and that's it. Look how nice that is. You see the difference between when it's actually glued down and when it's not. It's more set. So there we go. So now we can take that off. Like I said, it's a very easy process. It's kind of like you're painting. So Just dab it across. And by then, the one that's already, the glue that you poured out currently is already kind of drying, so it'll work a lot quicker, so you don't have to let it sit as long. Crazy what eyelashes can do for your eyes. Makes such a huge difference. Grab your lash from that corner. You're just gonna lay it right across your eye. So, I love these lashes. They're so pretty. Honestly, I love them so much that I even wear them to the gym. But hey, you do you. So, all right, guys, that's it. You can tap it on there. So once you allow it to sit for just a minute or two, you go back, sandwich it like you're squishing a sandwich together. So you're gonna go from the corner of your outer eye, and you're just gonna squeeze your eyelash and your actual eyelashes together. And then same thing with the other side. From the outer part, squish them in. So that way they blend really well. Always make sure to do that. And that's it. We are all done. So you don't have to do anything else. I just wanted to make it very simple and not so hard. I know there's other videos out there that will, help you with lashes, but sometimes I feel like it's a little difficult and you just need to get to the point like, hey, let me stick them on, right? So we didn't need a lot of stuff. You can use the tweezers. That particular lashes that I did receive came with those tweezers, so it's kind of nice to come with 3 pairs and a little thing of tweezers. They're this little round thing, so I highly recommend this. This is good for somebody who's starting out, because I didn't have these whenever I started wearing lashes. So when you grab them, you can kind of grab them like a little sandwich, pick up a little bit, and then just pull, and don't be scared to hurt it, because the more you think about it, it's gonna bother you. So you can use these. You can find some, online or on Amazon, I'm pretty sure, if you can't get them with your lashes. Grab some, that way you can use to pick out your eyelashes. Place them on either with this, if this helps, or you can use your fingers. I use my fingers because I have nails, and even when I don't have nails, I feel like it's better to use my fingers because I can just go in there and feel for those pieces there. I'm gonna lay it on. You can just feel the lash, the band. You can feel it laying on your eyelid, and you just push through, so it's nice. So, guys, this is it. Thank you for watching. Like I said, I hope this video was helpful to you all. If you have any questions, feel free to ask me down below. I'll be happy to answer. And like I said, you don't need much to do your first pair of lashes or get your first pair of lashes. So there's different styles. It's by A-Crown Lashes. So I love them, and they look real. They look like as if I get them done. You tell me which ones you like best. These on because I just wanted to show you all the difference and how flimsy they were. But this one is the one that I do love to wear, and I feel like it's a lot easier. So, like I said, hope this video was helpful. So please remember to subscribe for more beauty tips to come, and please like this video, show your girl some love, and I will see you guys next video. Take care.